Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your screen refresh rate on your Chromebook. So assuming your monitor supports different refresh rates, in today's tutorial I'm going to highlight how you can adjust them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher and then select settings or search for settings. And then there should be an item on the left side that says device. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right panel underneath device, select the display. And there should be something that says refresh rate. Click the drop down and you can select any of the options here that are available for your device. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.